Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to this video. As you guys know, I'm doing a 10-part series where I'm unboxing something in my wardrobe, or I'm showing you something that I recently added to my wardrobe. And today I'm going to show you an item that I got from the Neiman Marcus sale. It's actually a set. I'm a neutral gold heart, so of course it had to be black and white. But it's by the brand lovebirds, and it's actually a top and a matching maxi skirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how this looks on me. So here's the actual two-piece set on. Really flowy, really fun, comfy. Really pretty, neutral two-piece set. Now you can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this. As you're tucking it in. Yeah, really cute, really flowy, fun, perfect for summer. You can wear it in the springtime as well. Neutral, very put together, but still comfy look. All right, so that's it for the Lovebirds two-piece set that I got from the Neiman Marcus sale. As you guys know, I'm still doing unboxings every day of this week as I'm adding new items to my wardrobe. So stay tuned, and as always, make sure you do it with style.